Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no music results found in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to add music to your Instagram story, but you're facing the issue that whenever you search for the music, you see an error that no result found for the Instagram story. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to check your network because it might be a network issue. You can easily fix that by fixing your network. That's true that you have to scroll in control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, and here go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back and open your app store. Here you go for search. You have to search for Instagram and you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, simply go back from here and you have to retry to search for the song on your Instagram story. If you still find the same issues, it might be your app issue. Very first, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches for your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to simply unlock your phone and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app. If you're using any Android phones, you have to try to clear cache files of your Instagram app from your settings. So once you have done, it will fix if there will be any junk or any malware into your Instagram app due to you are getting the issue. Or you have to retry after knowing that if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so it might be a server issue or no, it might be the song which you are searching for is not available in your Instagram. So now to fix that, you have to open a third party editor. It might be your CapCut, your Remini, or which one you want. In my case, I have the CapCut here. You just have to open your CapCut app and you have to edit your video. You have to add the music which you want to add into your video or your story. You have to edit or you have to use your CapCut or the third party editor to edit your video. Once you have completely edited your video with the song which you want to add in that, you just have to upload the edited video into your Instagram story and you will be done there. So in this way you can easily fix if you found the issue no music results found on the Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.